If you can learn how to use your intuition for rug hooking, you can make better rugs. That's what I do. That's how I make these beautiful rugs. I can teach you how to use your intuition for rug hooking so that you can make beautiful hooked rugs. I've started something really wonderful this fall. It's called Creativity School for Rug Hookers. Hooking Rugs Intuitively is our first course this fall, 2024. It begins November 1st. It's partly live and partly recorded. So you want to get on the bandwagon this fall and join me so that we can get together on a weekly basis for 3 weeks. You're going to have a live webinar and it's going to be recorded. So don't worry if for some reason you can't make one of them. It's all going to be recorded, added to the 3 hours of course content where I teach you how to make rugs like this one, walking through the magnolias, like the peonies, like this one that I just finished. How to be inspired by nature and use your intuition to create rugs that are deep and meaningful and a journey into the soul. That's what they really are. That's what rug hooking is. So I want you to join me November 1st. You can sign up now at hookingrugs.com. It's going to be great. hookingrugs.com. Creativity School for Rug Hookers. Rug hooking intuitively with me, Deanne Fitzpatrick. See you there.